Righto, let's have a look at how the cars pulled up after racing at Goulburn on Saturday night. Okay, first things first, as you come third in the feature, there's the trophy. Now, this is the biggest issue I think we've got. Got turning around at the start of the feature, hit one other car. I think it's not too bad, maybe a little bit of porta power. Turn the bumper bar back inside out, but we'll know more once we get the bumper cover off. Looking inside the boot here, where we've got the panel where the fuel filler used to go down to the fuel tank. It's been crushed into plastic. Let's push this in here a bit, so we'll probably get the porta power into that section. Push that out to match up with the outside, and the back end should be looking like a Falcon again, so that's not as bad as it could have been, but not ideal. It's a slight bit of damage down here near the rear wheel. It's been repaired a few times over the years, you can see. So I'll just stick a bit of something on top of that, and that'll be back in action as well. Another thing we found, loading the car, that something's broken in the muffler there, so we'll suss out what's causing that to rattle. Coming around to the front here, the bumper bar that we patched up last week with a few different parts and different bumper bars, a bit of plastic, it's held up pretty good. The only thing we had, it did get a bit hot in the final, it was a hot day down there, but I think when we put the bonnet back on, it seals up a lot better than it used to. So what we'll do, we might cut these grills out, add a bit of mesh in there, that'll give more airflow in there. And the temperature gauge wasn't working, so we went to the shop, got a replacement one, so we'll put that in the next couple of days and we're ready to go. We're working towards Tamworth on the 11th of January.